Vanessa, stop. You are not ready.
Coach, please. Give me one more chance.
This academy trains athletes, not dreamers.
I can improve.
You are out of the team. Final decision.
No, Eli. My dream broke today. We will fix it, one basket at a time. One basket at a time. Vanessa, sweetheart, what happened? Coach Robert kicked me out. He said I am not good enough.
Why did he say this?
He said I have no talent. Sometimes people do not see your light. But Mom, I gave everything.
Now give everything to yourself.
My whole dream ended today. No, rejection is not the end. Sometimes it is the beginning. I found an old basketball in the garage. Eli, champions do not cry, they train.
Tomorrow morning, we start.
You will help me?
Every morning, before school.
And every evening, after homework. And I will be your assistant coach. You are too small to be a coach. Small coach, big motivation. Then I will not quit. Yes, go team!
Again, Vanessa, dribble with control.
My hands are tired.
Your dream is bigger than tired hands.
Again.
Faster, Vanessa! The ball is sleeping!
Eli, stop shouting. I am not shouting. I am coaching.
10 more shots.
You got this, Vanessa! I missed 7 already.
Then, make the next 3 count.
What if I fail again?
Then you learn again.
Okay, I can do this. Coach Robert said talent cannot be taught.
Discipline beats talent when talent is arrogant.
Then push me harder.
Good. Run to the line and back.
Go, Vanessa, you got this!
Wait, I have a new idea. Should I be scared? Yes, very scared. This is a secret move.
What secret move? Vanessa dribbles left, turns fast, steps back, then shoots.
That sounds difficult.
That is why it is secret. Try it slowly first.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, left, turn, step back, shoot. Yes, that is it! I missed. It is powerful! I will name it! Please do not name it. Too late. I call it the Dream Breaker shot.
Dream breaker shot?
Yes, it breaks the dreams of people who laugh at you.
That is very dramatic.
Basketball is dramatic.
Again, Vanessa, practice the dream breaker shot.
Again. You got this! Go, Vanessa! Go, Vanessa! I will prove them wrong. Yes! Go, Vanessa! Oh, wow.
That is my girl.
Vanessa, you still play basketball? Yes. After what Coach Robert did, basketball is not inside the academy. Basketball is inside me. Everyone is saying you were rejected. Let them talk. There is a city tournament this weekend. I'm ready. Can anyone join? Yes, but the teams are strong. Good. I do not need easy. Are you sure? I am done asking for chances. Now I will create one. Go, Vanessa.
You are still awake?
I cannot sleep.
You are thinking about tomorrow?
Yes. Coach Robert's words are in my head.
Replace them with your own words. What if he was right?
He was not right, Vanessa. I cannot sleep.
You are thinking about tomorrow?
The problem was not your talent. The problem was someone else's small vision. Mom.
Dream breaker shot. Destroy all doubters.
Did he fall asleep while coaching?
Great coaches need rest.
Small coaches with big motivation.
I am still scared. Brave does not mean you are not scared.
Brave means you play anyway.
Then tomorrow I will play anyway.
That is our Vanessa.
Final round begins in 2 minutes.
Vanessa, this is your chance!
Just play with your heart.
Remember your training. Get ready.
Yes.
Calm mind, strong feet, sharp eyes.
I am ready. Stop her! This will be easy.
Laugh now. I will answer on the court.
Vanessa, left side.
I see it. She passed 2 players.
Keep going, Vanessa!
when nobody was watching. Shoot, Vanessa! This one is for every rejected dreamer.
3 points! Vanessa, everyone is recording your game. Your video is going viral. I am not playing for fame. Then why are you playing? One rejection cannot decide my future. National Scouts are here.
Scouts? Yes, they watched the whole match.
Are you Vanessa?
Yes, sir.
Reports say you were rejected from a basketball academy.
Yes, sir. But I did not reject myself.
That answer tells me more than your score.
I only need one honest opportunity.
You have one. Come to the national trial tomorrow.
National trial? Then I need a better whistle!
This is just the beginning.
We are proud of you, Vanessa.
Vanessa?
Coach Robert,
So you are the player everyone talks about.
I am the player you removed from your team.
Street basketball is different from professional pressure.
I am not here for comfort. I am here for opportunity.
Trial match begins now. Her footwork is excellent.
She reads the court very well.
This cannot be the same girl. Same girl, only stronger now.
Rejection did not break her. It built her. Vanessa, show them the garage move! Eli, not now.
Vanessa, now. The dream breaker shot.
Yes, the one I named with professional coaching power.
They are blocking the center. Then I will create space. Dreambreaker shot! Perfect name!
Decision made. What decision?
Vanessa will join the national school basketball squad.
But she was rejected before. Talent grows with hard effort. She proved everything today. You're right.
This is not the end.
From today, you are not just part of the squad. You will lead this team as captain. Always listen to your little brother.
Maybe not always.
Okay, mostly.
Mostly.